everybody? Today, it's time to conquer the day and work on the Conquest. Do you like that? Yeah.
That's nice.
I thought you did. So today, we're gonna get it that much closer to starting. So I'm gonna hook up the oil pressure gauge to make sure we got the pressures when we're
Up the oils.
when we're starting it. I worked a lot off camera on this here wire tuck. This side's pretty much completely done, but I am missing a relay for this side. No idea where it is. Somehow my knock sensor got up and walked out too. I guess he got fed up with us.
The wire tuck that will never end.
Yeah. This car will never have fenders or front bumper on it, ever.
Looks neat.
Does it? Yeah. Looks kind of like Mad Maxy, I guess.
Maybe if the turbo was on top of the motor.
Oh. I could probably make that happen. But I wouldn't want to. We were going to try and start it today, but something goes right there that helps that. No battery. And the oil feed line. I was going to try and make the stock one work, but it doesn't thread inside there. So I got to either find an adapter for the stock oil feed line or just get a new oil feed line. There's a couple little wiring things we gotta finish up, but it's like right there.
You gonna make it a Jopi?
What's today?
Sunday.
Duh.
Conquest Day?
It's Conquest Day. The date. The date of today is the 14th, and it's on the 27th. So what's that, next weekend?
No, not next weekend.
Not next weekend, weekend after?
Yeah. You better start thrashing, Holmes.
It is very possible, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up. If I worked on this like
Non-stop.
every night before I went to bed and every morning before I go to work, it's very possible. But it's not gonna get done talking about it. I'm gonna dive right into it. Oh, I have another question for my Conquest brethrens. On the wiring harness here, there's these two wires that are clipped, and this one. I don't remember clipping those, but I'm assuming one goes to this temperature sensor in the thermostat housing, and I have no idea where else they would go because I don't see anything. And this guy too. I don't know where he goes. So if you know, leave me a comment. Let me know. I would greatly appreciate it.
Yes. What are you doing?
Awesome.
Okay.
So since the wire tuck's almost done, can I like just cross out finish?
No. No. When you are done 100%, then you can cross it off.
Oh, I got a package in the mail. I already opened it because I didn't know what it was really. But one of our, I don't want to say fans.
Subscribers?
I don't want to even say that because that sounds too distant, more personal. About
Brother? I mean, he would be brother in the Conquest world. Starion?
About Franz.
Franz?
Yeah. Friend and fan.
Like Hans and Franz? We come to pump you up.
Or fans.
You already said not fan. Franz?
Franz.
Franz?
Franz. We'll call him Franz. One of our Franz sent me Franz. One of our Franz
We need a shirt that says official SNR Franz.
But he sent me this downpipe, this 3-inch downpipe that I can use once I get an adapter for my 2.5-inch V-band. But I needed that. That's definitely a big help. And I think I'm a little bit more excited about this bad boy here.
An air filter?
Some of you are saying, wow, that's a big air filter. But it has to be, because it's got a 1G first gen DSM mass airflow sensor in it. It's pretty cool, because I had a first gen mass airflow sensor on mine, but it was just this like cam thing. So this is going to look a lot better. So if you're in the market for a working first gen mass airflow sensor, hit me up. But thanks, Jason. I'm excited about this. Alright, so I'm going to try to put the oil pressure gauge in my stock location here. And this gauge cluster is pretty easy to take out. It's just 2 screws right here. And then we'll figure out the rest as we go on, because I forgot how to do it.
Take these 2 screws out and break it on the way out.
Yeah. Oh. There's one more. Well, there's supposed to be 2 more, but
One of them's missing.
one of them is not in there.
So, I don't know who we need to talk to make this happen, but I need an air freshener that smells like the inside.
Of an old sports car?
Yes.
Who makes air fresheners?
I don't know.
Johnson and Johnson.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll be ready to help out little old SNR. We're on YouTube.
And then once you got this off, you gotta came off on its own, but the electrical connection for the lights and stuff, just gotta unplug that.
You got a nice collection of stuff on top of G-Pop here. I'm starting to sense the theme.
Project car life.
So how many people in YouTube land can relate? Leave a comment.
Change of plans. The gauge is too big to put in the stock location. If I put it here, it'd be running into the temp gauge. So I'm just gonna get a stand for it and mount it next to the instrument cluster for now. I know people sell, I think, plates for these to make these fit, but you don't have one right now. So put it on the outside of the gauge cluster. Be fine for what it is.
I thought you were gonna say you broke something.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna run the line for it, and I'm gonna put all this stuff back together. So I got the line ran for the new oil pressure gauge. Like I said before, I couldn't put it down there just because it was too big, and I haven't buttoned up the gauge cluster 100% yet because I still got to run the wire for the light. But the nylon tube is ran to the engine. I'll show you where we're gonna do that. So I just ran it out from the back rubber grommet thing there, and it's over here. Ran it behind the motor and over here, and it's gotta take this little plug out here. They're probably too dark, but it's next to your oil filter housing. So that's where it will feed into. So we got that done. I put a new coat of paint on the valve cover, so that's back on. All the oil lines for the oil cooler are hooked up to the oil filter housing. Put the oil filter on. Did we put any oil in it? No oil in it yet. So we can fill it up with oil now. Alright, but yeah, that's probably gonna do it for today. We got, like I said in the beginning, we were like that much closer to it firing up. I mean, I could probably, if I had a battery and everything like that, I could probably start it, but we gotta.
You piss oil all over the place.
Well, yeah, but I need a feed line, and we gotta prime the engine too.
Yeah, pull the spark plugs out and turn it over. Build up oil pressure.
Yeah. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today.
If you need some merch, need some shirts, need some hats. What else do we have? Shirts and hats
And stickers.
and stickers.
Stickers.
New stickers.
Yeah.
Check out sandrmotoring.com. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook. I don't know where else are we.
Podcast.
The podcast, which we filmed this morning, so I'll get it uploaded later today, Sunday, sometime.
All the links will be in the description. And also a huge shout out to our Franz, Jason, for sending me the downpipe and
Yes, thank you.
the mass airflow sensor. Like I said, I got an extra one if anybody wants to purchase it.
You need another board so we can put the Franz list.
The Franz list.
The Franz list.
Oh.
No, you can't mark anything on it.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can.
What can
You know what?
That's laughable. That was even.
I was just thinking of everything that has to be done.
Oil filter.
Anyway. Kids
Yeah.
are crying.
That's my cue. I'm out.
It's time to go.
So,
See you guys next week. Thanks for watching.
stay cool, bros.
You will run one day. Keep on motoring.